1.3. Good job. Okay, Boyet defended by number 8. Agad. Inside pass. Attacker, fake, attacker. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Tyson Kickers. Game played. Team Patanan. Oh, to Salman against number 11. Cross pass. Returns they get beyond the arc. Yes. Wala. Rebound by Rivers para kay Team Patanan. Team Patanan to Rivers. Okay. Foul pointing number 27. Okay. Personal na si attacker. Third personal foul. Team foul number 1. Okay, Team Patanan. Okay, Team Patanan drives. Don't go. Okay, strong rebound. Salamat Pagkaya. Okay, basta tumikit siya per personal lang baro. Pwede may iba-iba sa pula, kaya lang pag may tinamaan ano ko naman 8-5-3 basta pwede swing pero ba yan automatic manual o free throws siyempre iwawas-iwas ganun. Nagkapit pa ito, nagkaroon basketball hindi siya nakakupang dito dalawang kamay niya pakin okay, mark lang para ako nanalabang kapatid, dami mga lady mga katalagahan, ayun, magandang mga katalagahan good job, high five good catch Leaders beyond guard, don't go. Okay, the ball's by attacker. Oh, knocks out of bounds. Alejandra. Bola ng 30 kapatid. Pare, naano yung
Bakit sila ulit? Di ba kanila yung jump ulit dito na?
dahil kaya ka yung third part kasi Tama. Good job. Yes, sir. It's scored. 52-46. Anim naman ngayon.
Dapat si ano, si Iggy Boy.
Dilapas, overshoot. Overshoot. Para Team Patanan. Team Patanan. Okay, wala naman. Boyet with the basketball. Boyet attempt. Don't go. Okay. Dilapas. Cleaning the ring. They scored 54-48. 6 points lead. 7 minutes 38 seconds to go. John Stockton assist to Armalon. Yan ang assist of the quarter. Para si John Stockton ng Utah Jazz. Para si Armalon ang pinasangan. 6-8. Bounce pass para kay Attacker. Para kay Dilapas. Okay, ayun. May foul na kita sa red against number 27, Siad. Siad warning for personal. Okay, Dilapas out. Hindi mo na lumabas. Ayun, tapigang kayo. Tawag niya long distance. 14 to shoot. Good job. Okay, bounce pass number 27. Okay. Pati ko. Tama yan. 12. Ayun, crossing ball. Lupit tumawag ni Jonathan Parto. Jonathan, may asawa ka? May asawa ka ba, Jonathan Parto? Ah, meron. Ano ka pala asawa ka? Suplado ka na ngayon. Pag muna yung babae, suplado ka. Ganun. Ang babae minsan nagkakagusto sa lalaki. Pag maamo mukha, amo ng mukha ko. Palumukha. Oh, okay, rebound by Salman for Raiders. The number 7. Tim Patan, defended by Boyet. Tim Patan, drive. Don't go, okay. Ahmad, short, rebound by number 10. Number 10, pass to number 22. Boyet for this. Against Nagat. Ayun na, pursuit. Right for the ball. Ayun, ball line number 12. Also known. Wild West. Ganun laban, daming people mga kapatid. Daming people of the Philippines. Attacker. Yes sir. Attacker scores. 56-1, 5 points lead. This is FPA. Championship ang dating eh. Eh yung mali. Ganun laban para sumasay ang ngipin ni Madam Gemma Salcedo. Shot clock 10 seconds. Okay, Raiders beyond the arm. Brilliant. Don't go. Okay, knock the rebound. Time out. It's 5 minutes, 4 minutes. 59 to 51. 8 points later. Ang mga daliri. Humingi ng oras sa labas. Ang mahang ng mga daliri. Maisip ang yan. Fingers. Daliri yan. 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 Kung ano, sa usawan yan. Siling na buyo. Sidik-digin. At babae sa mata. Third quarter. Siyempre, original. Good evening, original. Original, good evening. Ito po na original ng Jeddah. Original. Original. Original ng Jeddah. Mga kapatid. Kaming taong mga kapatid. People of the Philippines versus Mario. Parang paso. Good job. Good job. Okay, good catch by number 7, drive, good. Okay, sayang, kanyang tawag, 59-51. Siyempre, Greg ng Sarawat. Greg, good evening. Ayun, lapit ni Greg. Kaya sa kahapon, wala na ikang parang para kay Raiders, para kay Akad. Dahil sa mga tanker. And he's still the Islam Bank champion. Okay, wala pang nakakaano sa kanya. Nakakakuha ng Islam Bank King. Okay. Shot clock 7. Shot clock 4. Boyet. Yes sir, assist. Coming from Boyet. Score 6-1. 53, 8 points lead. Under 5 minutes, 4 minutes. And 52 seconds to play. Third quarter of 4, Salman drive. Now, okay, Maga. Okay, up. Tama si Ramian. Okay, foul. Okay, control. Okay, ingatan niyo lang doon. Kapatid, ingatan niyo. Paano, masala. Second, number 7, defended by Ahmad. 7 takes a shot. Don't go. Okay, lalakas tumalon. Parang walang mga kamatayan, mga kapatid. Parang mga immortal. Okay, parang walang kamatayan. Ganyan-ganyan si Samuel Pinipit. Habang ang munti-munti, naglalakad. Okay, Raiders. Inside pass, Salman. Rebound by number 27. Okay. Ganda ng mga kapatid. Good job. 4 minutes, 12 seconds. And Polkoman, last. 4 minutes, 12 seconds. Kanang mga kapatid. Okay, number 7. Pastor counter. Okay, tama. Pastor number 27. Attacker. Okay, whistle blows. Given up by number 12, Salman. Second personal warning for penalty.
Third na yun, ah.
Okay, 3 minutes of 27 at the line. Attacker, Upalde. Fourth by attacker, Yasser.
Hindi ka pa malipad yan, Taras.
Upalde yan. Tumatake. Second. Okay, 100% by attacker. 6-1-55. 6 points lead, 3 minutes 58, under 4 minutes to play. Siyempre, Mr. Perry, up to you at Mr. Perry, the king boy of ALJ. Kamusta si beautiful Madam Wang. Ayun, Mr. Perry, ganda lalaki sa malayo, mula rito hanggang Bulacan. Shot clock, 9 seconds. Time to shoot, 7. Shot clock, 5. Okay, shot clock, 2. Reverse out, basa ng basa. Hitting always. Reverse. Shot lock 2. Substitution. Shot lock 2. Wait for the buzzer, huh? Whatever. Okay.
Good.
Basta rin. Ano yan? Violation, 24 seconds. Expired. Rosel, lagi naman tayo, Rosel. Parang malungkot ko, Rosel. Malungkot, masas ang ulo. Okay, blocking foul. 12 seconds, 16. Rumaga penalty. Third personal, magat. Penalty. 3 minutes 17, 6-1-55, 6 points lead. Third quarter mga kapatid. Okay, Boyet at the line. Boyet, 2 free throws. 4 Chester, 100%. Labit ni Boyet. Best free throw shooter in Jeddah today. Next to me. Second by next to me. Okay, 100% by next to me. 3 minutes 17, 6-1-57. The lead down to 4. House live. Musab. Shot clock 17. Basic. For Kim Patana. Drive. Erase. Eyes on the ball. Okay. Boyet on Tarana. Boyet with the letter. Boyet. And it's called by number 26. Basic basketball, 6-1, 59, 2 minutes, 52 seconds. Basketball 3 points play, bonus time for a Boyet rotation. Para mag-3 throw siguro Okay, 100% talaga si Boyet. Next to me. 61-60. 2 minutes, 52 seconds. Pananlawan mga kapatid, hindi nga palagay. Musab, last 2 minutes, 45. Magat. Okay, fight for the ball. Ayun na, attacker. Musab, Boyet. Estrada, to gain the lead. Boyet, erase. Okay. Don't go. Pananlawan, number 7. Yes, sir. Umapit ka ng sausaw ni Cobb. Sinasawsaw sa mga ring, mga kapatid. 2 minutes 14. 63-60. Inside. Yes! Organizers in Jeddah recognize him. Salamat kapatid. 153. Good job. Number 7, drive, don't go, Piedra. Basic. Recovers by Basic. For number 16, Wanda. Elegant shot. Ganda ng laban. Ayun, Madam Nagriel, sabay kamot ng ulo pagkapalakpak. Recall data. Vikram Dasar. 1-2-5. Good job, good job. Boyet against number 16. Para kay attacker. Okay. Another assist. Pass down low. Ganun laban mga kamag-anak. 65-64. 69 seconds. Third quarter, mga brad. Okay, number 16, Magat fake. Magat. Thrown is good. Thrown is 3 points. All on the floor. Good job, good job. Good job, good job. Okay, last 48 seconds. Lapit na dribble mga kapatid. Hirap agawan. Okay, ayun na. Merong foul na kita si Red Dawn. Foul na may number 7. Substitution. Substitution. Regulado out penalty. Okay, ilang foul. Second personal. Last 42 seconds. Again, Boyet. Again. Puro si Boyet. Ang nagpipitron. Boyet na naman. First, lipit na Boyet. Si Boyet, mahirap kalaban sa 21 yan. Yung 21 yan. Pwede lang tumalo yan. May hawak ng microphone. Ako yun. Walang mukha. Substitution. Noy. Ano, nagpo-bros ka na, ha? Tingin mo siguro sa akin, pare ako. Mukha lang akong ano. Tama. Mukha lang akong kriminal, pero mabait ako. Ang swerte, babaeng ibigin ko, mga kapatid. Last 31 seconds, third quarter, Boys. Angkat, beyond yard, shot. Okay, Boyet, once again for one. Last 18 seconds. 18 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Last 15 seconds remaining. Last 12. Itong, last 10, Itong. Last 7, Itong. Last 5, Itong. 5, shot is nullified. Hanggang is fully a third quarter. Magkakala pa lang nakapapalad. Magkakala pa lang na. Yun. Kanalabangan na ito, mga kamagana. Pinagkakatalo lang dito, mga kuhan niya, mga kusino. Lalamang wala na oras. Siyempre, Mr. Figueroa, good evening, Figueroa. Wala si Madam. Nandiyan ka asawa mo? Wala.
Casey, sila Domingo. Saka ito.
Ay, taga-bulang ko maganda. Kinamusta mo sa ako?
Robot.
Good job. Okay, final quarter. Okay, good job.
Namatay na lang.
Para tayo nasa nito, ang Maneta. Parang nasa Maneta, Baliwag. Si Gemma, nakatingin lang kay Salcedo. Gemma, ayun. Parang mawawala, ano? Gemma, parang mawawala. Ayun lang, ayun. Pangatlo sa upuan. Tawag ba ako? Kinakulit mo, bro.
Wala naman eh.
Ayan, guwapo, ano? Okay. Guwapo sa litrato. Okay. Shot clock 13. Good job. Boyet. Asa kay Bulacan. Bulacan. Oh, black. Kanang ayun na, cross-court pass. Right, Jasper. Good. Rolling Hamid Bones. Para kay attacker. Okay, attacker. Against Basa. Rapas. Bulacan. Oh, attacker. Lapit niya sa kapatid. Okay, cross-court pass. Oh, good catch by Diego. Okay, pass to Ziyad. Ziyad looking for okay, recovers the run. Magat, ang laban. Okay, oh. Okay, rebound by number 27. Mr. Boy,
Hindi nabol.
Hindi makahakbang, hindi makahakbang.
good evening, April.
Ito pala habol.
The beautiful daughter of Jin. Okay, beyond the eye, well, number 27, 69, 68, 1.8. Ganda ng laban, Mr. Perry. Mr. Perry, ganda ng laban. Okay, Boyet. For number 27, at Tanger. Hard to defend the opponent. Okay, Riddle.
Labas na yun.
70, 79 seconds in the ball game. Okay, yun na, tawag na. Time to go, 7 minutes, 23 seconds. Okay, time out, isa na lang ha. Pilipinas kung mahal, isang lang time out nyo. Spicy, isang lang time out ha, isang time out nyo kayo. Coach, time out. Si Lebron, ilang pa time out ni Lebron? Time out ni Lebron, ilang pa? Lebron, tatlo pa time out mo. Tatlo time out. Lalo mga kapatid. Iba mga players na yun. Tayo mga hinangamaan at mga tao. Kaya pakita niyo yung husay niyo mga kapatid. Siyempre, may mga katalagawan dyan. Mga hangal sa laro niyo. Ewan ko lang sa mga mukha niyo.
Bukas na sa YouTube to. Dito.
Pinapela sa mga mukha niyo. Mga hangal. Protect yourself. Protect your face. Protect and protect. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, Siad. Malupit si Siad, kapatid. Inside pass. Oh, Boyed. Against number 10. Boyed. Malupit si Boyed, kapatid. Para kay Atanger. Oh, ganda ng depensa ni Siad doon. Siad. For Kimpatang, heading for Kimpatang. Mautang mga players ito mga bro. Mautang mga players. Okay, Siyan.
Out siya, no?
Okay, now, appropriate penalty on South Coast by Smile Original. Okay, 74-70. Atanger. For up. Given up by number 12. How many fouls on Salman? Salman third. Oh, Honey. Ito, Honey. Anong balita, Honey? Ayos ka lang, Honey. Nasa Jari ba? Pilosopo ka, ha? Ayun, manood ang TV Patrol. Saling managalog itong matutubo na ito. Honey, kita gwapo. Ayun, kita gwapo, Honey. Okay, sanay managalog. Bisaya, sanay ka, Honey. Bisaya. Bicol. Oragon ka. Ayun, Luzon. Okay. Sanay managalog yan. Huwag yung sasalita ng laban. Right, yes sir. You can clap your hands, Madam Tan. Okay, attack. Don't go. Oh, yeah, number 7. Okay, na. Dilampas, Ader. Wala. Okay, Salman, sa kalitaw. Number 7, second take, second one, second point lead. Pito lamang. Okay, dito. Open shot. Okay, isang time mo na lang. Spicy Fingers. 87-1. 9 points lead. Okay. Ganda ng lagang kapatid. Boyet. Yes, sir. Last 5 minutes. Iyad. Kanalaban. Lanot Kajaya. Piedra. Ang laking tao. Okay, time to shoot. 20. 80-74. 6 points lead. Okay, Okay, shot clock 17 seconds. Shot clock 17 seconds. Panalaban. Karen. Good evening, Karen. Kabahagi ng bot. Karen. Karen boy. Now 4. Shot clock 9. Boyet attempt. Okay, across the pass. 27 drive. Left corner. Okay, Thunder. Defended by number 7. Boyet. Bianca. 82-77. Ilan ang lamang 5. 5 point stream is still under Sanchez ball game. Good job. And then laban mga kapatid kesa kahapon. Okay, readers. Foul number 27. Then a pass out. The Balde warning. Malupit. 82-77. Okay to free throws for the Readers.
Wala ng battery.
Fourth, the Readers. Shooter talaga. Kaya nga yan ang MVP. Last 3 on 3. MVP. Okay. Score sa free throws si Readers. Okay, attacker. Foul pointing. Number 8, also known as Dunker. Third personal. Team totals number 2, Friendster. 3 minutes 47. Under 4 minutes. Okay, attacker. For Raymond. Release 38, 7 points lead. Good job. Ganun laban ang kapatid. Okay, yun. Roland Readers. Pagkakan na naman ang press. Siya, pagkalitan. 3 minutes 20. 3 minutes. Time out. LeBron! 84.